The LAUNCH X431 CRP919EBT and the Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT are two of the most popular bidirectional scan tools on the market. At first glance, they seem very similar. But once you compare their features, performance, and diagnostic capabilities, some important differences begin to stand out. So, which one is the better choice for your garage? Let's find out. If you're looking for a scan tool that packs serious diagnostic power, the LAUNCH X431 CRP919EBT is a strong contender. One of its biggest highlights is advanced ECU coding. Along with full system diagnostics, it supports ECU coding, adaptation, calibration, initialization, and matching on compatible vehicles. That makes it a great option for experienced DIY users as well as professional technicians. Performance is solid too. Running on Android 10 with a quad-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage, the scanner feels responsive while navigating through menus and vehicle systems. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity gives you the freedom to move around the vehicle instead of staying connected by a cable. The built-in 6,300 mAh battery is designed to handle long diagnostic sessions without constantly reaching for the charger. Another major advantage is bidirectional control. The CRP919EBT supports over 4,000 active tests, allowing you to activate components like cooling fans, fuel injectors, windows, headlights, ABS pumps, wipers, and many other electronic systems directly from the scanner. Maintenance coverage is equally impressive. It includes more than 35 service functions, including oil reset, EPB reset, battery registration, injector coding, ABS bleeding, throttle adaptation, steering angle calibration, and many others depending on vehicle compatibility. Compatibility is another strong point. The scanner supports over 160 vehicle brands and modern communication protocols like CAN-FD, DUIP, FCA AutoAuth, and VAG guided functions. It also includes useful software features like displaying 8 live data streams on one screen, exporting data as CSV files, and generating professional diagnostic reports. Of course, no scanner is perfect. The 7-inch display is a bit smaller than what you'll find on some competing models, and the battery capacity isn't the largest in its class. Even so, it delivers an impressive combination of features and professional-level diagnostic capability. Now let's move over to the Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT. If the launch is all about maximizing diagnostic value, the MK900BT leans toward delivering a more refined overall experience. The first thing you'll notice is the larger 8-inch HD touchscreen. Its higher resolution display makes live data, graphs, and menus easier to read during long diagnostic sessions. Under the hood, the scanner runs Android 11 with updated hardware, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage, giving it a fast and responsive feel. Battery life also gets an upgrade thanks to the larger 7,700 mAh battery. Like the Launch, it offers wireless Bluetooth diagnostics, allowing you to work around the vehicle without being limited by cables. Where the MK900BT really stands out is maintenance coverage. Instead of around 35 service functions, it includes more than 40 reset and maintenance services. In addition to common functions like oil reset, battery registration, injector coding, and ABS bleeding, it also adds features such as HV battery reset, transport mode, sunroof initialization, rain and light sensor calibration, and relative compression. Bidirectional control is another strong area. The scanner supports more than 3,000 active tests, making it easier to activate various vehicle systems for faster troubleshooting. Vehicle compatibility is equally impressive. It supports more than 160 vehicle brands along with CAN-FD, DUIP, FCA AutoAuth, and Renault SGW compatibility. Autel also includes several convenience features that make daily use even easier. VIN and license plate auto-scan can quickly identify supported vehicles, while pre-scan and post-scan reports simplify documentation before and after repairs. Wi-Fi printing is another welcome addition for users who regularly generate diagnostic reports. Overall, the software feels polished, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. So, which one should you choose? If your priority is advanced ECU coding, powerful diagnostics, and dealer-level functionality, the LAUNCH X431 CRP919EBT is an excellent choice. On the other hand, if you prefer a larger display, newer hardware, additional maintenance services, longer battery life, and a more refined software experience, the Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT is definitely worth considering. The good news is that both scanners deliver professional-level diagnostics that can save both time and unnecessary repair costs. Now the choice is yours. Which scanner would you pick? The feature-packed LAUNCH X431 CRP919EBT or the premium Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT? Let us know your choice in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more scanner reviews, buying guides, and comparison videos.